What if you could lose weight without ever setting foot in a gym, doing push-ups, or even jogging around your neighborhood? What if shedding stubborn fat was more about how you eat, how you live, and what small habits you repeat every day, rather than exhausting workouts you never enjoy? The truth is, while exercise has many benefits, it's not the most effective path to weight loss. Most people don't fail to lose weight because they're lazy or undisciplined. They fail because they're trying too hard to follow complicated plans that burn them out, or they believe exercise is the main driver of fat loss. But the science tells a different story. Weight loss is about caloric balance, hunger control, and smart choices that align with your body's natural processes. In this video, you'll learn 3 powerful, science-backed hacks that will help you lose weight without any exercise at all. No special equipment, no strict diet. Just clear, practical steps that make a real difference. And best of all, they work for busy people, beginners, and anyone who's ever struggled to stick to a plan. If that sounds like something you need, keep watching, because we're about to change the way you think about fat loss forever. The first hack is intermittent fasting, also called time-restricted eating. This isn't about starving yourself. It's not even about what you eat, but rather when you eat. The idea is simple: limit your eating window each day, and allow your body more time in a fasted state where it can burn stored fat more efficiently. A common schedule is the 16-8 method, eating all your meals within an 8-hour window and fasting the remaining 16 hours. During the fasting period, your insulin levels drop, your metabolism resets, and your body turns to fat stores for energy. Studies show that people who practice intermittent fasting can lose belly fat and reduce insulin resistance, even without exercising or counting calories. And because your body is spending more time in repair mode, many people report clearer thinking, better digestion, and reduced bloating. What makes this method so effective is that it naturally reduces your daily calorie intake without making you feel restricted or overwhelmed. You're simply shortening the time during which you eat, and that alone leads to better appetite control. To make it work, drink lots of water, sip black coffee or tea during the fast, and break your fast with a balanced, high-protein meal. Within a few days, your body adapts. Hunger decreases, cravings fade, and fat loss begins without exercise, supplements, or drastic diets. Next is the second hack: eating more protein and fiber. This is one of the most overlooked secrets in sustainable weight loss. When most people want to lose weight, they think about eating less. But what actually works better is eating more of the right foods, especially protein and fiber. Protein is crucial because it keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, and has the highest thermic effect of any nutrient, meaning your body burns more calories just digesting it. When you start your day with a high-protein breakfast like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake, you'll notice fewer cravings, more energy, and better focus throughout the day. You won't feel the need to snack constantly, because protein sends strong satiety signals to your brain. Now let's talk fiber. Fiber slows down digestion, reduces hunger, and keeps you satisfied longer. Foods high in fiber like lentils, oats, vegetables, berries, avocados, and chia seeds expand in your stomach and slow the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. That prevents the roller coaster of energy crashes and cravings that sabotage most diets. The real power comes when you combine protein and fiber in every meal. For example, chicken with vegetables and quinoa, or a smoothie with protein powder, spinach, and chia seeds. You'll eat less without even trying, and your body will respond by shedding fat naturally. The beauty is that this doesn't feel like a diet hit, feels like you just making better, smarter choices. No need for tracking apps or meal plans. Just focus on protein and fiber, and the results will come. The third hack is controlling your environment. Believe it or not, your surroundings play a huge role in your eating habits. In fact, many of our food decisions are made subconsciously based on what's visible, convenient, and accessible. So, if your kitchen counter is covered in chips, cookies, and soda, you're going to eat more of them. But if your fridge is stocked with washed fruit, ready-to-eat salads, and pre-cut veggies, you'll snack healthier without thinking. The first step is to clean up your kitchen. Throw out the junk, hide the treats. Make healthy foods visible and easy to grab. You can also eat on smaller plates. Research shows that people who use smaller dishes naturally eat less food while feeling just as satisfied. It's a visual trick that works incredibly well. Avoid eating from the bag or box. Always portion your snacks. And try not to eat while watching TV or scrolling your phone. Mindless eating is one of the biggest reasons people consume excess calories. When you slow down, chew your food, and actually taste it, you eat less and feel more satisfied. Another tip is to drink water before meals. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger. Keeping a water bottle with you throughout the day also helps curb unnecessary snacking. Finally, use small triggers to guide your behavior. Leave notes with motivational messages, keep a food journal by your nightstand, or set a reminder on your phone to stretch or take a short walk. These little cues create awareness and help keep you on track. Your environment should be designed for your success, not your failure. If your surroundings support your goals, your habits become easier to maintain and you lose weight with less effort. There's also one final element that ties everything together: quality sleep. This isn't a bonus tip, it's essential. Poor sleep increases cortisol, the stress hormone that triggers belly fat storage. It also increases the hunger hormone ghrelin and decreases leptin, the hormone that tells you you're full. This hormonal imbalance causes you to feel hungrier, crave sugary foods, and eat more even if you're not truly hungry. People who sleep less than 6 hours per night are far more likely to gain weight over time, regardless of their diet or exercise routine. So, if you really want to lose weight without exercise, you must prioritize rest. Create a sleep routine that works. Go to bed at the same time each night, avoid screens an hour before bedtime, keep your room cool and dark, and avoid heavy meals late at night. Try magnesium or herbal teas to relax. Good sleep helps your body repair, recover, and burn fat naturally. And when you're well rested, you make better decisions about food, hydration, and stress, all of which contribute to a leaner body. So let's recap. You can absolutely lose weight without exercise by focusing on 3 proven, realistic strategies. First, intermittent fasting helps you burn fat during periods of rest while simplifying your daily eating schedule. Second, eating more protein and fiber controls hunger, reduces cravings, and supports fat loss without deprivation. Third, optimizing your environment helps you avoid temptation, eat more mindfully, and build habits that last. And finally, by getting enough sleep, you restore the internal balance your body needs to lose fat effortlessly. These are not fads. These are real, science-supported techniques that work for thousands of people around the world, especially those who are busy, overwhelmed, or simply not into working out. If you've tried diets and failed, or if you're tired of trying to follow fitness routines that just don't fit your lifestyle, then this approach is for you. Now here's what you can do starting today. Pick one of the hacks, just one. Maybe it's adjusting your eating window. Maybe it's adding a protein shake to your morning routine. Maybe it's cleaning up your kitchen and hiding the junk food. Whatever feels easiest, start there. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Give your body time to adjust. Then, once that habit feels natural, layer in the next one. Over time, you'll build a system that works for your life, not against it. And the best part? You'll start losing weight without feeling like you're constantly sacrificing or struggling. You'll still enjoy food, you'll still live your life, but the results will come and they'll stay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. Leave a comment below telling us which hack you're going to try first, and hit that subscribe button for more simple, effective health tips every week. We're all about real results without the pressure. See you in the next one. Stay consistent, stay strong, and take care of your body. You've got this.